Hello everyone. This is Abdul Jabbar from HostNock. Today, I am going to show you how you can log in into cPanel. Without further ado, let's get right into it. cPanel is a web-based control panel that allows you to control your website. Open your browser and enter your IP address, domain or service port address to open cPanel. If you have the URL, you can also open the cPanel login page by entering the URL directly, which is usually www.yourwebsite.com/cpanel. Enter your username in the username field. Enter your password in the password field. Click on the login button. Congratulations! You have logged into your cPanel account. You will be taken to a dashboard where you will see many options. Best of luck! I hope this tutorial helped you in logging into your cPanel account. If you still have a question or query, feel free to ask in the comments section below.